Alright, let's demystify the Insta360 Luna Ultra. Is it a real game changer, or just the latest overhyped gadget? I've been following every whisper on this one since it popped up at NAB 2026, and let me tell you upfront, this thing is legit. The scam rumors? That's just old confusion and some clickbait articles, not the real deal. First off, the Luna Ultra is Insta360's answer to the DJI Pocket series, but it isn't recycling old tricks. Instead of a single rotating camera, you get a dual-lens system, one with a 1-inch sensor for wide shots, and a second 1.28-inch sensor for telephoto, both in a pocket-sized gimbal. Want to zoom? You got it, up to 3x optical zoom, which is actually a first for this kind of camera. And for video nerds like me, shooting in 8K at 24 frames per second, or buttery-smooth 4K at 120 FPS, is a serious flex. But what really caught my eye is the modular design. You can pop the camera head off and wear it, or keep it docked for classic handheld shots. The 2.2-inch rotating touchscreen just makes framing a breeze. So, how much does this all set you back? Early listings hint at $499 for the standard Luna and $699 for the Ultra. That's not pocket change, but retail units are already popping up in Shenzhen, and a global launch is right around the corner. Heads up though, if you see ads for this camera at $99, don't bite. They're fake. And don't confuse it with the Insta360 Go Ultra, which is a totally different product. Always pre-order from official sites or trusted retailers. If you're eyeing the DJI Pocket 3 or 4, maybe hold off until April 18th when full reviews drop. Until then, Luna Ultra is looking pretty promising, and definitely not a scam.